With the award-winning Whistler Wireless Digital Backup Camera, you can back up with confidence. Our wireless system makes install fast and easy for anyone. All you have to do is simply charge the camera once before you install, which will allow the solar charge modules to recharge the unit. Connect the camera to the solar charge modules and backplate assembly. Slide your license plate into the backplate assembly and reattach to your vehicle. Plug the monitor into a 12-volt plug in your vehicle and you're ready to go. No messy drilling, running wires through your vehicle, or pairing with other mobile devices. In just 4 simple steps, you're on the road in minutes. From family vehicles to work vehicles to recreational vehicles, the Whistler Wireless Digital Backup Camera is the easiest and fastest way to reduce blind spots. Back up with confidence when you're backed by Whistler.